10 yards. That's 10 yards. Arrow to shotgun shell. Let's see what happens. And this shotgun shell has not been shot yet. So we're trying to knock the primer off of it and see if it'll blow up. Damn. A little high. A little high and to the left, just a tad bit. No, it ain't. Oh, a little bit high.
Right below it.
Holy shit! Yes! It worked! It worked! No way! That was badass! Look at that!
Which one of them shot?
The left one. Dude, you hit it right perfect on the primer. Look, the BBs are still in it. Dude, that was wicked. Look at the BBs. Hang on. Look at the primer. Dude, that was perfect. My turn. Here. You can keep that. It's my turn now.
Did you video that?
Yes, I did.
I did not do what I thought it was going to do.
Oh, you lost the knock off your arrow.
Did I?
It broke off.
Well, I don't figure why.
My turn. Here, you can record now. It's recording too.
Oh, shit.
I can't believe we didn't die. And by the way, that was a Bowtech and another Bowtech. Let's see what happens. Whoa.
You shoot your 3 and I'll shoot mine in it. Aim high.
Come on, baby.
Oh, damn.
I hit it. Just nicked it though.
Move that arrow.
Huh?
Move that arrow.
I'm shooting again, nigger. Holy shit, don't be doing that. Not with me right here.
Holy shit. Matt.
You hit it that
I
time.
know I hit it that time.
You just didn't hit the primer. Damn.
I wouldn't pick that up. Damn.
He just didn't hit the primer.
I didn't hit the primer on the other one either.
Yeah, you did. You hit it perfect. This ain't good. We're gonna kill ourselves one of these days. Oh!
What?
I broke my arrow.
How'd you break it?
I don't know. Broke clean though.
Matt Boyd, you gotta fess up on camera.
Matt Boyd, Lane Weaver Productions.
Lane smoking your ass.
Lane, for once, you are beating me at shooting bows.
Never happened. You already go show him that other freaking shotgun shell we shot earlier. On camera. Perfect.
This is already 5 minutes long. Damn it, I wanted to do one. You are a fucking idiot. I hate you.
That was perfect.
I hate you.
Look at the BBs that come out of that son of a bitch.
Look at the BB. Hang on, hang on, hang on. You're a dick. I wanted to do one.
Dude, that is, oh my God.
That was perfect. That was badass. Well, Lane,
Well, we didn't die.
you did good. You outshot me.